On 2 News Chief Meteorologist Dan Threlkeld, a winter storm warning will be in effect for Green Country from 6 p.m. Tuesday all the way up until 9 p.m. on Wednesday. Notice the change from yesterday. They've now included in the winter storm warning southern parts of Kansas, and they have seen a stripe of some very heavy snowfall, rates from a half to an inch per hour in this little narrow band that's mainly south of I-70 and north of the Oklahoma-Kansas line. But notice it's moving more west to east than it is to the south. This low pressure system continues to dive to the south. That's a surface reflection, but in the upper levels we'll see that low kick out, and that's when we'll start to see that snow begin to move in. Because of that, I think we're looking at the initiation of the snow a little bit later than what it looked like yesterday. By 8 p.m. the snow just to our northwest, it'll move in for tonight. At times it will be quite heavy, especially overnight tonight and into early tomorrow morning, but it moves out rather quickly. Notice as we get into 2 p.m. the snow is mainly to the east of 75. West of there things are quiet, but at times the snow will be quite heavy even into the early afternoon hours in eastern Oklahoma and across parts of Arkansas. We will see a sunny but a cold day coming up as we get into Thursday. Now, all right, this is what we're talking about. Yesterday I said 4 to 8. Now I'm updating that to about 5 to 9 in through the Tulsa area. Models are indicating a little heavier stripe just to our southwest, a little bit less to our north and northeast. This will change depending on the track of that low, but the moisture is there, the upper energy is there, and the cold air certainly is in place. So unfortunately, it looks like we are going to get more snow. It's bad news because the roads had just started to improve. Even some of the neighborhood streets, there were starting to be some ruts in those, at least the ones had some traffic on them. So again, for this evening, we're going to see cloudy skies. So what should you do this afternoon? Finish running the errands, get the car gassed up, and get ready for this. Again, coming in as we get into 8, 9 o'clock or so in the evening. Also, brace yourself for some real cold air. We're going to have to deal with that for a couple of days. Those temperatures have been dropping quickly to our north and northwest, and that moves into the area for tonight and tomorrow. And tomorrow is just going to be a bitter cold day. Begins around 8 p.m., ends around 2 p.m., and Tulsa around 5 to 9. Again, this will change depending on the track of that low, but get yourself ready. Tonight, if you have some plans, just know it's going to be pretty tough going out there. Gusty northerly winds will drop down to 10 degrees with snow falling overnight tonight. Temperatures even colder to our north. Bartlesville at 7. Our temperatures in the teens and 20s to our south and southeast. 100% chance of snow tonight and tomorrow. And then on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're looking at sunshine. Very, very cold on Wednesday, but notice the huge warm-up back up in the 50s by Sunday. And on Valentine's Day, temperatures also in the mid-50s with increasing clouds.